Hello viewers, today I tell you a love story. I hope you like this. There was a girl was playing in park. When she saw a picture in the bush, she kept the photo but forget about it until she was married. Her husband asked, "Who is that little boy in her wallet?" She answered, "My first love." Then the husband smiled and said, "I lost this picture when I was 9 years old." Viewers, if you like this story, please tell me in comment section and like my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
What's running from the demons in my mind? Even when I was lost, I said I'm fine.